Welcome to Section 1, TikTok Treasure, your 2-hour ticket to freedom. Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Want to be your own boss? Well, TikTok is your answer. Millions are making money. And guess what? You can too. Just spend 2 hours a day and unlock financial freedom. It's time to live life on your terms. This isn't a dream, folks. It's the power of TikTok. Short videos, huge audience, endless possibilities. This guide shows you how. So, get ready to unlock TikTok riches. Moving on to Section 2, finding your tribe niche selection for maximum impact. First step, find your people. What are you passionate about? Gaming, cooking, fashion, that's your niche. People crave authenticity, so share what you love. Don't be afraid to get specific. Love baking cakes? Focus on chocolate cake recipes. Narrow your focus to attract a dedicated audience. Remember, engagement is key. Now on to Section 3. Lights, camera, action. Crafting content that pops. Now create killer content. Keep it short, sweet, and engaging. Use trending sounds, try fun filters and effects, and grab attention from the first second. Think outside the box. Collaborate with other creators. Run contests and giveaways. Most importantly, be yourself. Authenticity wins hearts and followers. Section 4. TikTok's secret weapon, analytics for explosive growth. You see, TikTok isn't just about posting, it's about understanding your audience. Dive into TikTok analytics to track your views, likes, and shares. Ask yourself what's working, then do more of that. Analytics are like your superpower. They reveal what your audience loves. Use this data to optimize your content and watch your views skyrocket. Section 5. Cashing in, turning views into dollar signs. Here's the fun part, making money. With a large following, your opportunities are endless. Become an affiliate marketer, promote products you love, and earn commission on each sale. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers like you. Partner with them for sponsored content, review their product, give a shout out, and watch the money roll in. Section 6. Join the movement. Your legacy starts today. You have the power to change your life. TikTok is your platform, and your creativity is your weapon. Just 2 hours a day is all it takes. Start building your legacy today. Want more guidance? Join the Legacy Builders program. We offer exclusive tips, tricks, and support to help you take control of your future. Start your TikTok journey now.